So at the Paris Vision Institute, we want to restore vision in blind patients. So we have already developed different technologies from prosthesis to optogenetic therapy to restore vision in patients having lost their photoreceptors, as in age-related macular degeneration or in retinal dystrophies. So now the next step is to go to patients losing the optic nerve. So some studies have shown that it's possible to restore some vision with electronic device, but it's not long-lasting and only very few pixels. So what we want to do is develop something with high visual acuity and high number of pixels so that these patients could have some autonomy and recognize faces. I think the breakthrough in technology at the level of the brain and all the nervous system is really all the brain-machine interface. There will be multiple, either with electronic device, but also what we are currently developing is more genetically based brain-machine interface, where you can bioengineer the neurons so that they react to light, it's optogenetic, or to ultrasound stimulation. This is sonogenetic therapy. The advantage is by this bioengineering, you can target specifically one cell type in the brain and activate with light or ultrasound just this cell type. So it's much more specific than you can do with an electrode, because with an electrode you stimulate all the neuron in a volume. In this case, you could stimulate only the cells that were transfected and where you have a specific promoter for that cell type. As soon as you touch the brain and you stimulate in the brain, you want to write something in the brain, you want to inhibit something in the brain, you have to be very careful, because of course we don't want some kind of state to control our brain. We want to keep our freedom. And so it's clear that we have to make sure that all these new technology are only used for medical purpose and not for other kind of purpose in controlling the population or whatever. I think it's important, but it should not refrain us to make progress, because if we don't do it, others will do it. So better we should do it, we should control it, and we should establish the rules for its use in the world.